Oh no. I meant to clean the car. Shit. Look, I lost the back bumper. There it is. Oh no. Oh no, my wife is gonna be so mad. The problem is all the dirt kept getting into the back of the bumper. Look at it. And it took it right out. Yo, what's up YouTube? We're back at it with some epic E46 content. You already know the drill, so let's grab some popcorn and let's jump right into it. We just got back from the dyno a couple weeks ago and I have a couple new parts on the car and I think it's time to take this thing for a test drive and really see what it does. I'll have some GoPro footage and I think that's what the next steps are. Let me update you real quick on what we've done. I ended up putting some SLR sway bar links into the car, and I ended up putting a Hard Motorsports firewall closure deal because there was a big ass hole and I was getting hot and fumes were everywhere. So now that we have that sealed up and we have the SLR sway bar links, I think it's ready to take it on a drive and see how it does. I'm still scared of the car and I don't want to break it or wreck it or something go wrong and like the brakes don't work or something. So I'm slowly taking it for test drives and finding new things that I need to fix and finding new things that the car needs. So let's jump into today's video and get right into it. Here she sits in all her glory. This gas station a little more and then come back. I gotta get used to the car. I just want to enjoy the car right now. It makes me so happy. I don't have fucking turn signals either. Vitals. I don't know how hot it is. I don't know what my oil pressure looks like. I got nothing. I'm gonna give a satisfying. Oh my god, how wonderful was that? I'm sorry guys, I fucking, oh no, rear bumper. If you guys can see my rear bumper, I'm gonna show you. Oh no. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, let's put it in gear so we don't roll backwards. Oh, that is hilarious. Boys, what's the point of having all this land if I can't use it? Oh no. I meant to clean the car. Shit. Look, I lost the back bumper. There it is. Oh no. Oh no, my wife is gonna be so mad. The problem is all the dirt kept getting into the back of the bumper. Look at it. and it took it right out. Oh man, my wife is gonna be pissed. Oh, but look at, I did a donut in dirt. Hey, step 1 complete. Fuck. Now I gotta find a way to put the rear bumper back on. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Dang. Dang. Oh no. That's so much dirt. Oh god. Well, that's one way to do it. She's got no rear bumper right now. Oh my god. Jesus. Wow, look at all the dirt on the side of it. Dang. Oh well. That was fun. I only think okay, so that's still on there. So how did it just come off? Did it just come unclipped? That's what probably happened. Probably just came unclipped. Oh well. You got to see the drive to down the road. I mean, I just got this thing tuned. It's still touching the front bumper and the rear bumper. Oh my god. That was too good. That was too good. But she looks good as always, right? As you guys can't tell me she don't look good. Even with that janky ass fucking stock front bumper. That thing looks good. I think the next thing I need to buy is just like a rear bash bar. Damn. That's pretty good. My bad. This is the first time driving it since the dyno. 377 horsepower, I know, but so you gotta start somewhere. Freddie made a good point. He's like, bro, listen, you don't know how to drive it, but yet you want to drive it. 50 horsepower, 100 horsepower isn't gonna make a big difference right now when I don't know how to drive. We're prepared because I have tires already, right? I have 4 sets of rear tires. Then I already went ahead and purchased some 243 heads. Now, when it does happen, that car will get those heads in due time. This car makes me happy. I'm still afraid of it. That's to be had until I really get down with it. But dang, God, dirt. I'm messed up. So, I know you liked today's video. It was just a little cruise. First cruise after the dyno. Next video, I think I'm gonna bring my wife for a ride along. So if you like today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the sub button. And I want you to tell your friends about it. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.